Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your background color on your Instagram story. So we've all kind of been there before where we go to share a post on Instagram and it changes the background of that to like a weird color, or color is too bright or whatever. So this is going to show you how to change that to whatever color you want before you go post your Instagram story. So all you have to do is you guys have to go over to Instagram, just open that up. And I'll just go to my search option, discover option, just to find a picture to share. So I'll click on this Volkswagen here and just click on the share button just to show you guys for the tutorial's sake. So now you guys see that I have a gray background here. Say if I wanted to change it to blue to match kind of the color of the car. All you have to do is click on the brush option. So you see beside the A in the top right corner, there's a little brush option next to that to the left. You want to click on that. And then all you have to do is figure out what color you want. So say if I want that light blue. Now, you could have an option to scribble here and draw and fill it in, but I don't blame you if you don't totally want to do that for the whole background. So all you have to do change the whole thing at once is if you just put your finger on the screen where the gray is, just hold it on there for a couple seconds like that, and the whole thing will change. So it's really easy and really quick to do. And now you can go off and post this with that changed background color. Anyhow, I really hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials. Thanks for watching.